Hey, welcome. I'm Gary, and this is the YouTube channel VWJawbreaker, where I'm sitting in my car jawbreaker, because it looks like a jawbreaker. So if you like classic Volkswagens, you know, cool stuff, building them, building engines, car shows, all kinds of other fun stuff, you might be in the right place. Dude, you don't know everything. I know I don't. That's why I said they might be in the right place. Sheesh. That's right, I don't know everything. But here's what I do know. I'm sharing my experiences with you and how I do things. So it may not be the proper how-to video, but it's the way I'm doing it. I've got a wife, family, kids, pets, you name it. So my garage time is my therapy time. So come out, enjoy. Pull up a chair, grab a drink, and let's have some fun. Make sure you comment below, subscribe, and like the videos. I do enjoy commenting with everybody who leaves a comment. So stick around, have a great day, and until the next time, be kind to one another and be good.